And we continuing our development with the step 5, creating extension and base Redux tour. So in this step we finally going to create ScandiPWA extension. So let's start. We need to navigate to the them folder. Let's open one more terminal here and cd the ScandiPWA folder and execute provided command, and it's going to create a ScandiPWA social share extension. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's doing his work. What going to be our next steps? What we need to create query folder inside our extension, and then we will have to create store folder also there. Okay, let's try. Okay, the package is created. Here it is. So let's create query folder and store folder straight away. Store. In query folder we will need to create a file social share .query.js, and let's copy this file content. Nothing a lot here. We're importing the field from our utilities and adding the field enabled, which we created in previous step. So what it's doing is it's going to call field social share and field list enabled, only one. As you can see, it is a list or the array. So let's go further. We need to create an action. Let's do that. Going back to our extension, let's paste and copy the content from here. Here we're creating an action of type update social share. You're going to see it further. We need to create a reducer. New file reducer. Yes, and let's also just copy paste stuff. And what it does, we have initial state with an object social share and another string field enabled inside, and how you see it says us that it is not enabled. It basically is done because when the data will be not fetched from the backend, we will see that enabled not, and if data will be fetched, we will see enable works. And there is our reducer, which catches the type which was declared in social share action, and just merge states together. So the last step, I think, going to be to creating dispatcher. New file social share dispatcher. Let's copy and paste it here. It's our dispatcher. How you may see, it is extended from query dispatcher, right? And basically we can take a look what is inside of the query dispatcher. So let's go to the ScandiPWA, source, utils, and request, where it is, request, and here it is, our query dispatcher class. And what it does, we need to take a little bit while it loads. So we have a method handle data here, which has takes the prepares request and takes the queries and executes these queries. Oh, I have mistyped dispatcher. Most likely it's going to be dispatcher. Let's refactor, rename, dispatcher. Right. And what is next? And yeah, unfortunately on this step we have nothing to showcase, but hopefully that our front end is still functional. We can check it. npm runs. Oh, okay, no. We will going to launch it as in magenta mode. Let's wait until build finished. So what we have in our dispatcher, we have prepare request as we saw in query dispatcher, and it gives an array of the queries, and here is our query, what we created in here. So thank you, and hopefully next video will be more interesting.